So here's how I turn my scrap wood into a product, part 1. Start by marking out 10 to 12 centimeter squares. I can get 4 out of my length. However, create as many as you are able to with yours. As I quickly rip these to size, let me know in the comments any other designs you'd like to see me try. Here we are left with 4 identical size sections, which I am just looking to see which has the most appealing look. Then grabbing a rough sketch I drew of a Labrador and cutting it out. This leaves me with a 10 by 10 centimeter sketch I can attach to the face of my coaster. I can then grab my router and begin carving away at the lines. Stopping to check my progress and remove the excess paper where needed. Now that I have carved out all the lines, I can remove the rest of the paper and grab a permanent marker. I have found a permanent marker gives you way more accurate lines and much sharper outlines than painting this wood. Plus, I am going to put a clear coat over it before using anyway, so will not affect the look long term. And there you have it.